Well, good morning. Today I'm on the Wales coast path. I think the town I'm near is Cemaes, something like that. I'm actually planning on walking through to another bay further along to photograph an old brickworks on the coast that looks like an interesting sight. So that's the plan for today. Rather a hastily made up plan as it was. I'll see you in a bit. Well, I must say it's pretty spectacular along here, although you might not be able to hear me because it's that windy. But look at that view. It's actually, I'm walking around to Porth Wen, where there's an old brickworks, I think it is. I'm doing a bit of photography there, and then pretty much walk back the same way, because the circular route involves walking on the road and I don't fancy that much really, so I'll come back the same way. I don't think I'll be getting the drone out today, it's very windy, but you never know. But meanwhile, enjoy the scenery. You falling over? You alright? I've just walked across all that bladderwrack seaweed. It's like walking across slippery bubble wrap. Nice little church there, right on the top of the cliffs. Quite unexpected. It's approaching something potentially interesting on the top of that hill over there. Don't know what it is, but we're going to have a look. Very up and down is this path, far more than I was expecting. Like a day out in the hills. So I just come upon some nice interesting ruins there. Like an old mill or something. Chimney, just marked on the map as chimney. That's all it says. We'll go and have a look. I'm probably not going to bother climbing up to the tower, which is up there. I'm probably going to go around that way, carry on to what I've come out for. Maybe call up the tower later. But for now, we'll just have a look at this. So that was lunch out of the way. I was quite surprised really. I was only going to have an apple, but I finished up having a sandwich as well. Put some sun cream on as well because it's cracking the flags. The forecast for today is mostly rain, drizzle most of the morning, and there may be a bit of broken cloud and sunshine later. And look at it. Finally, a little bit of easy path. The first bit we've had all morning. I've done just over 3 miles. It feels like double that. It's all up and down. It's been effort all the way. Quite unexpected, really. Right, Mum, I'm just looking. Anyway. I've actually not gone to the summit of Porth Wen because there's some more ruins here which have just piqued my interest. So I'll go and have a look at these while scattering the sheep as I do so. Bit of old winch gear or something. That was a bit risky walking under that. What was I thinking? That's your mum shouting. You're over there. Who's you told? Well, I'm finally nearly at my objective, which I presume is where those chimneys are there. There's a little path down over there. So hopefully we're finally here. Hurrah! Oh, what an interesting ruin, what an interesting place this is. I think it is a brickworks. Looks pretty dodgy in places. Oh yes, better not go over there. In fact, it looks like the whole floor's collapsed in there. Keep away from that. The more interesting things are these round buildings over here. Stuff was used for. Very interesting, isn't it? Right, I'm on my way back now. I've seen the brickworks. I nearly lost the drone though. Well, I say nearly, I did lose it. I flew some footage which you've probably just seen. And I took my eyes off it, couldn't see it. And eventually, I've been trying to identify things on the ground, it was flying past. I gave up and luckily it's got a home function. So I pressed it and home it came. From quite an unexpected direction. Somehow it had got behind me and about a quarter of a mile away. I turned round and there it was winging its way back, thank goodness. So, well done DJI for the home function. So I'm now on my way back to the car park. But I'm going to take a slightly different route on the way back. So I'll see you in a bit. So when I get to the bottom, I'm not going to retrace my steps along the path, the coast path. I'm going to turn left along the path up there that goes back up onto the road. I'm going to walk along the road for half a mile or so and then pick up the path again near the church and walk it back from there. See you in a bit. So we've just come back from the ruined China brickworks, as it turns out. We're going to make our way up this path now to the road and then turn right and walk along the road for I guess half a mile to a mile or so and pick up the path again near the chapel. You can see the road ahead now. Just a right turn and walk back along the road away and join the path again a bit further down, I think, or maybe stay on the road, I don't know yet. Find out in a bit, next episode coming up. So I've probably got about half a mile of this road to go. I'm going to rejoin where the chapel is and retrace my steps on the coastal path where it's a little bit easier. By the time I get back there, and hopefully about a mile back to the car. About 6 miles in up to now. So probably going to come here about 7 miles, which is broadly what I expected. So I get to the end of here, turn right, follow the path down, turn left and reconnect with the coast path I was on earlier. And then back to the car. So this is where we pass through the gate and join up with the coast path again. I very much doubt you can see that on this camera, but the sea is absolutely crystal clear, beautiful. So my original plan this morning when I set out was to go to the South Stack Lighthouse, do a bit of photography around there, have a spot of lunch and then come over here. But then I decided, after looking at the map, that this was further away. So I decided I'll go and do the further away stuff first, and then come back and do the lighthouse later. And I'm glad I did now, because this is taking a lot longer than I expected. Oh, pretty much back where we started now. I'm going to say I can see the car, but I can't, because it's hidden behind this headland here. That has been a pretty tough walk, that. Harder than I was expecting. So if you've enjoyed that, please click the thumbs up and give us a like, and subscribe if you like, that'll be great. I'll wrap it up here, because it's just a narrow scrubby walk back through the shrubbery now, really. Only about a quarter of a mile. So I'll wrap it up here. Thanks for watching. If you want to copy this path, there'll be a GPX in the description. So have a go. It's been quite nice, quite interesting. Let's see what you think. I'm going to see you for now. Bye. Hurrah, the car and aircon, can't wait.